Once upon a time, in a small village named Harmony, people from various walks of life lived in harmony and respect. Each person in the village possessed a unique skill, contributing to the overall prosperity and cohesiveness of the community. But like every good story, challenges arose. A terrible storm hit the village, destroying homes and crops and leaving the residents devastated. In the midst of their despair, a wise elder named Mr. Johnson spoke up. He reminded the villagers of the power of unity, how coming together as one could turn their tragedy into triumph. The villagers listened, their spirits ignited with newfound strength. They realized that by uniting their skills, they could overcome any obstacle. Every person, regardless of their age or occupation, contributed in their own unique way. The power of unity allowed them to achieve remarkable feats. As the days went by, the village of Harmony not only recovered from the storm but thrived in ways they never imagined. Their united efforts had led to a stronger, more resilient village. And it wasn't just about the tangible outcomes, it was about the bonds formed and the sense of belonging that brought immense joy. The story of Harmony Village serves as a powerful reminder for all of us. In a world that can often feel divided, it's in unity that true strength lies. Regardless of our differences, when we stand united, we can create miracles, overcome any challenge, and build a world filled with compassion and understanding. So, let us embrace the power of unity and be the change we want to see. Together, we can make a difference.